What's up, everybody? PB from Anvil. I hope you're having a great Friday, October 24th. Today, I had something that I thought was pretty cool to show you. I haven't made a video in a little while, so thought I would do that, have some fun on a Friday, showcase some stuff that I've been playing with the Anvil API. And in addition to that, wanted to show off a tool that I thought was pretty neat. I have built a tool that builds Cardano wallets, so drives Cardano wallets and signs transactions for Cardano entirely in PHP. So there's no external dependencies at all with this tool. It is about 64 kilobytes in total of files here. This is the entirety of the plugin with some README docs that I put in behind it. But I realized that WordPress and PHP have all of the things that we need to create wallets for Cardano, to sign transactions, all the various different encryption tools and how we actually derive those are all native to WordPress servers. So like the Blake to be signing library or the ed 25519, we can use Sodium for those, which are native to the WordPress environment. I had that idea and I tried it and it worked. And let me show you what I mean when it worked. So here I'm using my little script here with a wallet that I built to create a transaction, which I'll send to Anvil API to build using our build endpoint. We'll get that back, we'll sign it, and then we'll submit that to blockchain. Again, no external dependencies. So I'm going to rip through this here. I've got a couple of things saved just from the couple of tests I've done so far. But we'll drop that in. And there we go. Wow, fast return on that one, 0.19 milliseconds. The full response from Anvil. So now I have what I need to submit this transaction to blockchain. Got it signed already. Got it unsigned CBOR. Got my witness set from the signature. So now I need to just send this back to Anvil. I was pasting in the totally wrong place. My bad. There we go. Now we're in the right place. Ready for this? That's amazing. Transaction on chain. That's insane. That's with a wallet derived entirely in PHP using a WordPress server. So down here, I was also, just as part of this little plugin, built a wallet generator, so you could see how amazing this part is too. But I've got this configured down here, so this is like a backend signing wallet or a custodial wallet. If you needed to spin up one of those, boom, right there. I've got a dev wallet to work with. It's that fast, using only PHP. No external dependencies. Only PHP. So I made a little front end that I play with my playground over here that I'll show you just like what this can do. But like there's a million things that you could do with the dev wallet like this, and like a million ways to interact with the Anvil API, tools that you could build. I'll showcase a bunch of those. I have a lot that I've already built that I'd like to show, and I'll put them on the site. But just a quickie, like, connecting it, I'm able to instantly generate and derive Cardano wallets right here on screen, just as an example as to what you could do with a little script like that. But the utility is more here on the back end. This is where I'm most excited about it. I think the implications of this are just fantastic. Like 40 to 50% of the Earth's websites are built on WordPress servers. Those WordPress servers are all built effectively the same way. Now, granted, they're on different potential hardware, but from an infrastructure layout standpoint, this will work, this methodology across every single WordPress server. It's backwards compatible all the way to, I guess, the creation of PHP. I don't know how far back we could go with it, but we had a lot of backwards compatibility. It makes Cardano effectively a native component to all of those websites where you can integrate this and literally have Cardano as part of the server architecture. That's incredible. The implications of that are insane. What you can do, what you could build, the layer that it strips out of complexity is nuts. So we're talking at a minimum 80 to 100 megabytes for like an independent signing tool as an executable or something like that. And this is 124 kilobytes. That's a lot different in terms of resource requirement. The doors that opens up, it's wild. That's all I got. That's what I'm excited about today. Hope you're excited about it too. I will put this stuff out here on GitHub at some point this weekend, as well as on my WordPress site. I'll get that push live to show the functionality. Excited for you guys to take a look at it. Let me know what you think when you do test it out. Talk soon.